Apple might be about to pull off one of the wildest moves in smartphone history, a brand new entry-level iPhone, possibly called the iPhone 17e. Rumored to launch in early 2026 at around just $499. Today we're breaking down what that means for Apple and the entire smartphone industry. First up, what exactly is the iPhone 17e? This is believed to be Apple's next budget-friendly iPhone model, replacing the 16e as the more affordable alternative to the flagship lineup. It's expected to hit shelves in spring 2026, possibly around April to May. Now, here's the crazy part. While most leaks peg the price near $599, there are multiple reports floating online, and even some sources saying as low as $499, which would make this one of the most affordable iPhones ever. So what would you actually get at this stunning price? Here's what the rumor mill suggests. A 19-chip, a trimmed but modern Apple Silicon chip that offers performance closer to the current flagship iPhone 17. 6.1-inch OLED display, likely similar to last generation screen tech to keep costs down, potentially with dynamic island instead of a notch. 48 megapixels main camera, the single lens rear camera Apple uses on its mid-range models. MagSafe support, finally, the return of magnetic wireless charging on Apple's budget iPhone line. And importantly, Face ID and modern connectivity will stay in the mix, even if refresh rate and other advanced features are modest. Now let's talk pricing, because this is the real game changer. If Apple actually prices the 17e around $499, that puts huge pressure on rivals like Samsung, Xiaomi, and especially budget Android makers who sell powerful phones at similar price points. That price would make Apple far more competitive globally, especially in price-sensitive markets, and could pull more Android users into iOS. That's a strategic play designed to grow Apple's market share, not just sell another phone. Think about the ripple effect. Android brands might have to cut prices even more. Apple gets a lower barrier for first-time customers. Mid-range phone sales could shift dramatically, especially if the hardware delivers real performance. At $499, this model could destroy the mid-tier competition, giving consumers a premium ecosystem experience at a price they weren't expecting. Now, remember, nothing is official yet until Apple announces it. But if these rumors are right, the iPhone 17e could be Apple's smartest move in years. If you're hyped or skeptical, comment below and tell us what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.